Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how you can link your broker to your TradingView.com platform, and it will be an updated tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So when you will visit your TradingView account, you will get this kind of an interface. So I already created an account, and the creation of account is really simple. So once you create your account, then you just need to click over here to the products. Like when you will hover, then you will get the options called super purchase. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you will get this kind of an interface as you can see it. So from that place, you just need to increase the size of the panel here, and then you just need to click over here to this trending panel, and here you will find out, let's make it big, find out your trusted broker. So you can explore the broker panel, and here you will find out the broker list. From that place, the Binance, then the Paper Storm, then FP Markets, Egypt Cap, and many more. So if you have account on of this broker, you just need to click on this platform. Like let's click this one, and then you just need to connect it through your this TradingView. This is the easiest way to enable or connect your broker to your TradingView. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.